Hi guys, my name is Journey and welcome to my channel. If you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Journey. These are all my social medias. As you can see by the title of this video, I got a Chromebook from Amazon and I'm gonna do a review. I got a text about 5:40 this morning and said that my package was on my porch. So me being the person I am, I ran out there and I got it. So here it is. Oh, look at that. But here it is. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. It's another box. I don't know what to do with this anymore. It says something about batteries. Hopefully it won't explode and blow up because I don't have time for that. Ow. That's the first impression because I don't know what that is. There's a charger in here. So, here's a charger. It's an HP. It's a Chromebook. It's an Android. I don't have money for a MacBook, but if y'all want to send me some money, don't be scared. Here's my Depop. So, it's in a, like, airtight plastic wrap, bubble wrap kind of bag thing, but it opens up here. So I'm kind of nervous to open it because I don't know. I've never had a Chromebook before. I'm not really like a technical person. I just got my first iPhone like 2 or 3 years ago. So I have the iPhone 12, but I was gonna buy a MacBook off of Amazon until I saw the price. Who finna pay that much?
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
It's kind of small, but let's open it. Let's take it out. I don't know what you're supposed to call this, but it's like a, I don't know. It's an air filter thing, it says, but it feels like a floaty. But here's the front of it. HP, Google Chromebook. I have one of these at school, but they won't let us take it home, so now I have to use it at home. But here's the charger port, I think. Here's where you can like plug your stuff into it. I think this is like a headphone jack. I don't know what that is. That's for another time. And here's one over here where you can plug it in. And like, here's one you can plug it in. And there's another one you can turn your phone into like a little charger. But opening the Chromebook, oh, it's turning on. But has all the keys. The screenshot one over here, yeah, you know. Chrome OS, period. Has all the keys. Space bar is a little dirty, but that's okay. Shout out to Manoj Wi-Fi. I'm low-key excited I got my own Chromebook. It didn't accept the Wi-Fi password. I used the Wi-Fi password, and so far it has the date and everything right. The time is right. No, it's not. But it's almost fully charged, so that's great. It's like 6:30, 6:20 something. So I don't know why it's talking about some 415. Look at my little claw clip. I don't know if you can see it, but it's iridescent. I don't really know what I'm gonna start using this for. I don't know if I want it to be like a business management type of thing for my bracelet company that I consign with. Like, I'm a consigner. I consign all my jewelry that I make to a consignment company. I don't know if I want it to be for my YouTube. I don't really know what I want it for, but I know I can use a Chromebook because the Gmail, I can just sign in whenever. But however, I do know I want to use it because I'm going to college next year, next fall. I am not going to this college. I'm going to a local one in Alabama. So college content may be coming, it may not be coming, but either way, subscribe. So apparently it now knows what time it is. I don't know how to feel about that. If you have not already subscribed, I would suggest go ahead and doing that. We have 165. So let's try to get 165 more. But this is what my channel looks like on the Chromebook. I realize I do have to make new thumbnails, so don't look at that. Don't look at it. It's not there. My faves, because I like all the videos that I post. You can do, okay, why am I so zoomed in? You can do way more on, what is this, desktop, than you can on your telephone, so that's what I like about it. If you are looking for some good cheap clothes, you might want to click that link right there. Now, if you have me on Depop, you can, what in the world? Y'all saw that too, right? Okay. If you are looking for me on Depop, this is my name. That's what I look like. There's my bio. This is all that I'm like selling so far. Nobody has bought any of these yet, but let's scroll. You see the prices, right? $10, $17.99, $8, $16. I try to keep it cheap as possible, but girl, I need some money, so I kind of have to. I sold this skirt like last week, and I'm still sad about it, but it never fit me, so I don't really care. I used to sell my bracelets on here, but they didn't do as good, so I just kind of consign them now. But I still have those in stock, so please buy those. And I think that's it. That's all I have in stock. So I still have these in stock, and I have some of these, so yeah. But so far nobody has bought any of this. These are some Miss Me jeans. Those are pretty cute. I wore the princess shirt and the Miss Me jeans as an outfit one day. It was pretty cute. I think I wore this on the first day of school, but it doesn't fit me anymore. That also doesn't fit me anymore, but it's pretty cute. You can send offers. These, everybody has been losing their mind over these. They're blue faded glory jean shorts, and they're in 4 people's bag. So I decided to YouTube my friend. I'm friends with this guy, have been since kindergarten. Go stream his song Benefit. I would play it. I would play Benefits. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Hold on. I would play Benefit, but I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So you listen to it on your own time. But look at these views, man. It's crazy. But yeah, go stream his music and follow him on Instagram. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me and opening up my Chromebook and unboxing it and going through it with me. I will talk to you guys next time.